Hey, my name is Julie. I am recording this for my QA class assignment, exploratory testing. Today, I am gonna test one of the application called QQ, which is here. Looks like it's a little penguin here. So I'm gonna test the offline module of the QQC. If I put it in the offline, how that would work. That works still the same way. The first, I want to introduce this little thing. When you click on QQ, it will pump up this one. So that's your profile. Very small, very summarized. It will see this is your profile picture, and this is your name, and here is your gender, your age, the year of your birth, and your blood type, which none of them are true. I just made it up because I don't want people actually know my privacy. So, but it's funny, it says actually this part is true. I have 13 years of using QQ, which is really long time. Okay, so let's test this way. Let me click on this one. So when you click on here, when you click on this icon, little penguin, it will bring up to this interface. So actually, they have three different functions. So for this QQ, it's not only a instant messenger. It's a combination of Facebook, which is here. Also, it's called the messenger, the Facebook messenger, because you actually have all the contact. You can contact the people. They're in the different groups. They're in your contact list. You can talk to anybody you want, and so this is like a general face, just it's messenger face, like all the messages the people you were chatting with is on the list on the left side, and this is your contact list. And so here's the cool part. It's the compilation, which is mostly useful tools for this application is listed here. So you can see it's also like a browser. You can actually search things. So let's see. If you wanna click on here. So this is like a Facebook. You click on here. It will be like your Facebook. So that's your friend status. You can post your picture, you can post your status, like how you feel about now. It's like, hey, let's test. That's how that works. Okay, so basically that's your weather forecast, which shows unknown because it can't detect where my location is because I'm out of China right now. And this is your stock watch list, which is really cool. They just get you everything. So when you click on here, it will bring up to you to the stock. So because I don't really have any stock under my watch right now, so it's empty. But if I want to do, I can choose. Okay, I'm gonna choose Apple. So you can see, oh, this is Apple's today's the trend, how that go, like, and the news related to the stocks or to Apple. And this is your email. When you click on this one, it's just gonna bring you to your email account. It's probably gonna take a while. Let's okay, yeah, not that. So okay, here's your news. It's like a browser. When you click on this one, it's just gonna bring you to the news. Everything like happening today or the major news happening like recently. This is your schedule. And here is your QQ doc, which is like your Office 365. So let's let's rephrase. So QQ is a tool, it's an application combined with your Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, uh, PayPal, and Office 365. And this is your file where you received from anything you send from the QQ that's going to be saved here. And collection is just your status. So you can like all the status you post that it's actually all collect here. So you can, if you want to see okay how I feel when the back to last year December 15th, you can click, you can find the time. Okay, that's what I how I feel that day. If you keep like a and this is your online cloud. It's like OneDrive or Dropbox. So you can upload. So let's see. I'm gonna upload. Like a picture. Apologize. I picked a really big picture to upload, which really took a long time. But anyway, so that will be your online drive. So it will be really convenient. You just log in one account and you got all the stuff. You can get your email address. You can get your email account and you can get your online drive and your Office 365. Okay, so and this is a feedback like you communicated with the developer and how you like the product or you don't like the product and what like this app is always crash, it's always offline, it's not smooth, or any other problems or any other questions, or just like purely just like I'm like, hey, I like to have this feature and I don't see here, can you edit it up? So you just let them know. It's pretty cool, convenient. Okay, so now we're gonna testing. So now I just introduced everything, all the features access that you could access to while you're online. So when you're online, have a little green button here. So let's see what if it's offline. So here you have four choices. You have online, you have away, you have invisible, and offline. So I personally really like this feature, like invisible, which means even you're online, you can do you can talk to the people, you can do whatever you want, but nobody can see you online, so you won't be bothered. So this is super cool. So I'm still online, but nobody knows. So right now I'm just gonna choose to offline module. Just tell me, okay, it's offline now. All right, let's see how that works. Okay, when I choose to offline, there will show connection is broken, which means there's no connection. Okay, so let's see if I want to do the test. See if I can still send out message. No, it says you can't send a message while offline, which is like okay, so that's something you cannot do when in the offline module. But the cool thing is you still have all the access to your old message. The old messages is still here. You can still choose them, like to review them. That's something cool. So this is something I really think it's cool. I don't really see this in America, like very being wildly used, but in China it's very wildly used. So this one called QR code. In China, like so you don't really need to find somebody, add somebody, search by their account name or by the username. You just scan. Use your phone, use your camera to scan this QR code. You will be able to get access to whatever you need. So right now, so this company called who owns QQ, the company called Tencent, who also owns another application called WeChat, which is another tool very similar to QQ. They're adopted with each other, but WeChat is more for phone apps. And you can use your WeChat, it's your QQ for like communicating with your people, with your friend, and access to the local news, to your stock watch list, to your work, to your Office 365, to your or your also can through do down payments through this QR code. So right now, more and more like merchandise in China, they actually adopt this feature to their business. So let's see, even you're buying a taco on the street, you can actually pay the people, the vendor, by just scanning the QR code. Like use your phone and pay because it's associated with your bank, with your credit card, and with your digital wallet. So in China, nobody bring wallet out anymore because as long as you have a phone, as long as you have a QQ or your WeChat apps on your phone, you're able to do anything, to do everything. So okay, now we're offline and see if we still have all this access to the features. So right now we can tell we don't have access to send a message anymore because tell me collection is broken. Okay, but I still have access to my contact list, which is pretty legit. And see if I can still find friends. Let's see. Well, it's just add a buddy. Well, it's pretty easy. I think it still can like test enter ID to find the contact. Okay, well, it won't allow me to do anything. I guess just not the when you're offline, you can't. Okay, that's good to know. And let's go to this most fun part. Let's see if we still have access to all these cool features. So let's see if we can still access to our, QQ version of the Facebook page. Oh, cool, we still have the access to it. So still can see your friend status, your friend's update. Let's see if we can test to. Okay, let's see. Oh, see, it's actually post. So even with the offline module, you still be able to post, to review, and to comment on your friends' the post. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, so still something unknown because it can detect my location as I'm out of China right now. And this is your stock. Okay. So let's see if we want to see Apple. Okay, still give me access to this stock watch list. Yes. Seems not a good. Oh, it's a good day. See, everything is positive. Good. And you still probably still have the access to email, I assume. Yes, you do. You just needed to log in again because I remember when we was online, we can just access to email without request logging again. See, but now we're offline. We actually need to log in. Okay, and let's see. Let's see. Oh, I can still see the news. That's it. And let's try our QQ doc, which is QQ version of the Office 365. So yes, actually, I think we're still able to create a one. We'll have the access to it. All right, let's do test. And now we can actually save it. It's downloading. Oh, okay. See? It's actually downloaded. Okay, you still be able to see the file and you can download it. You can search it and collection. Okay, you still be able to see the collection. That's cool. And see how's your online drive. See OneDrive, Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox. Let's see how that works. Okay, so you cannot. I'm not sure it's because of my internet. Okay, it's because of my internet. So it actually works. You can see the picture we uploaded is here. See if we can upload anything. Let's try let's try this one, data structure. See if we can upload again. So successfully. Let's delete this one. So we'll upload again. See if actually we could see it's uploaded. Great. And feedback. Alright, feedback's not working. So which means if you're offline, you won't be able to contact them, which makes sense. So yeah, that's our test today. So I tested the app called QQ when it's online and offline, which doesn't really give a lot of difference. So you can still have the access to all this new this cool tools and all this documents, like online version of the Office 365, the file, your online drive, but you cannot get contact with the developer of the QQ because you're offline, and you cannot send a message because you're offline. So besides except the instant communication not work due to the off of the line, the rest of the feature seems to work fine. That's it. Thank you.